South Korea, 1991. Scientists at a nuclear research institute were getting sick. Not from radiation, from exhaustion, from immune systems slowly breaking down under years of stress. Their mission was to protect the world from nuclear risk. But first, they needed to protect themselves. What they found over the next 8 years would become one of the most studied immune supplements on Earth. The researchers turned to traditional Korean herbal medicine. 3 plants used for centuries: Angelica gigas, Nitium officinale, and Peonia japonica. The challenge was consistency. Herbal compounds vary wildly by season, soil, and harvest. The lab had to engineer a standardized extract, the same potency every single time. After 8 years and dozens of clinical iterations, they had it. A formula that measurably supported hematopoiesis, the process by which your body produces blood and immune cells. They called it HemoHIM, Hema for blood, Him for the 3 herbs at its core, a name built from the science, not from a marketing brief. First clinical trial. Patients recovering from illness. Immune cell counts measured before and after HemoHIM. Natural killer cell activity increased significantly. White blood cell production recovered faster. The immune system had a measurable, repeatable response to the formula. A second study looked at fatigue. Subjects with chronic exhaustion reported improved energy levels and reduced recovery time after physical stress. A third study tracked antioxidant markers. HemoHIM users showed reduced oxidative stress, a key driver of aging and immune decline. Now here is where the story gets unusual. The Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute owned this formula, a government nuclear lab sitting on $1 billion health product. They did not sell it to a pharmaceutical giant. They did not license it to a luxury wellness brand. They partnered with Atomy, a company whose entire philosophy is that great products should cost what they actually cost. A comparable immune supplement from a Western pharmaceutical brand would retail between $120 and $200 per month. HemoHIM through Atomy costs $38. Not a promotional price, not an introductory rate. The actual price, every time. Today, HemoHIM is one of the best-selling health supplements in Asia. Over 100 million pouches sold worldwide. It is used by athletes recovering between competitions, by parents managing the health of elderly family members, by anyone who cannot afford to have their immune system fail them. The irony is that most people who take it have never heard of the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute. They just know it works. A retired teacher in Malaysia gave it to his son, who had struggled with fatigue for years. 3 months later, he said it looked like his son had found 10 years of his life again. A nurse in the Philippines started recommending it to patients managing long recovery periods. She did not do it to build a business. She did it because it helped. This is the product that introduced millions of people to Atomy. Not a skincare routine, not a business opportunity. A small pouch of liquid that made someone feel better. 8 years of nuclear research. 3 ancient Korean herbs. 1 formula that should cost $200 and costs $38. HemoHIM, born in a lab that split the atom. Available to anyone.